guys, it's Alicia with WTI, and these soft close hinges were a major upgrade in our kitchen.
So these hinges are from Blum. They are a 1¼ inch overlay. They are made from a nickel plated steel in a nickel finish, and they're just great. They're definitely well made and durable and easy to install. Another cool feature about these is that they have a deactivation switch. So if you happen to have cabinet doors that are super lightweight and will not actually complete the close on their own because they don't have enough weight behind them, then you can actually deactivate one of the hinges to take away some of that resistance, so then they'll work for you. I have the sound on in this video demonstration, so you can hear that there is basically no sound at all when you close these doors, and they just do it nice and softly all on their own, even if you slam them shut.
So I think you'll be super happy with these hinges, and that's my point of view.